Hey guys, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys a vital addition to your workwear wardrobe. This is my long sleeve high-vis safety shirt. Obviously, when you are buying one of these high-vis shirts, safety is paramount. And these safety shirts excel in this aspect. They meet Class 3 standards for high visibility, and even in low light or high traffic environments, I can still be seen. I particularly went for a long sleeve one of these shirts because I sometimes deal with landscaping and I'm doing a lot of work outside. So having these long sleeves protects me not only from branches and bugs and insects, but it also provides me with sun protection. They're crafted for ease of movement and breathability, which allows me to stay comfortable. But I've had this shirt for a year now and have been working consistently with this shirt for a year now, and I'm super happy with it. And also it's a plus that it came in pink. So if you are a construction worker or you do road maintenance or any job that requires high visibility, I think these shirts are absolutely perfect. And that's my point of view.